All right, here go my money glasses. This, which I'm going to open it up, is $80.
I love my money. I love just taking it, dumping it in the toilet.
All right, so in this video, we have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now, I already filmed one video that was sent to me. That was earlier in the month. This is the one that I paid for. What is today when I'm filming? Because I filmed a couple of videos today. So today's Thursday, the 19th. It is 2:16 in the afternoon. And yeah, so mine finally came in. I have not opened it up, and I didn't get a chance to make the choices because I forgot about it. So they made choices for me. So let's see what I got. Oh, I'm looking at the back. I'm like, what in the world? Okay. So this is $55 every 3 months. And when you open her up, that's what she looks like. Well, take it out and show you again. That's what she looks like. So that's a little sneak peek. Not too much. You know, I like to tease a little bit. And it looks like there's a lot of stuff in there, but we shall see. Okay, so if you don't know, every 3 months they collab with like a different influencer or celebrity. This month they curated, I don't know how to say her name, is Madelaine Petsch, if I'm saying it right. I said this in my other video, which I'll link it down below. I mean, she's just gorgeous. She's very, very pretty. I never heard of her before. And she looks very like, you know, she doesn't wear like a lot of makeup, like simple, but she's beautiful and she's young and she doesn't need makeup. Let's be real. Okay, so the first thing I got is this thing. I have no idea what this puppy is. Let me know down below if you got your Ipsy Plus, and if you did you like it? Did you get to choose your stuff? All right, so this is like a little scrunchie here. Has like, I don't know what that is, eyes and stuff. All right, let's see how much that puppy is. All right, I'm gonna go on my phone and go into my Ipsy account, and that way I can find everything out. All right, I don't even see it on the things that they chose for me. I don't even see it on there. So let's see all products and see if I can find it on there. I don't know. So I don't know if it came in maybe a plus choice or whatever, but this is my X. So we have that. I'm going to move on. And I got this big thing right here, which should be. Ooh, look at the first of all, look at that packaging. It says, what does it say? St. Jane Luxury Body Serum. Ooh, that's nice. Packaging is really nice. Why can't I? Oh, it's taped, Dan. Okay. Oh, God, that was tight. That's what she said. All right, so it comes like this. Ooh, and this has some weight to it. And the packaging is gorgeous. It has like a little plate. You see that? And then this is all matte black. And this is glass. This is nice. This is going to be expensive. Like, I'm almost scared to look. Yeah, this is $58. So right here pays for the whole box. So you turn it. So you would lock it and then you would turn it to open it. Okay, let's see. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely a serum. And it has a very nice scent to it. It really does. I'll definitely use this on my legs and then go in with a lotion because it says for your body. It's a body serum. Ooh, that's nice. I've never tried a body serum. All right, I'm excited about that. Okay, they did good right there. Okay, the next thing is a vitamin C12 hair tonic set. Now, let me just tell you something. I don't know what's going to go up first, but I unboxed my test tube box, okay? That's a whole nother story. And this was the same brand, and it came with a vitamin C powder, which was like almost $70. Like, it was expensive. So this brand's expensive too. I almost hate to look at it. It's a 12th vitamin C. I don't even know what it is. Oh, it says for your hair, so let's see. All right, here go my money glasses. I haven't used these in a minute. This, which I'm going to open it up, is $80. Like, I got a few things in that test tube that like for your hair, and this stuff was expensive. Maybe I'm cheap. That's why I have dead ends and different things like that. I don't use good things on my hair, but holy, oh, look what fell out. And I was like, you got to be kidding me with this big box. Like, come on. All right, let's see what's in here. All right, then we have this, and then here is the main thing right here. So you would take that off, put that in, of course, and then this is hair powder. What the heck? I've never heard of hair powder. Let me see what that's about. So this is a full size, of course. It's a scalp treatment. What it does is packed with antioxidant-rich vitamin C. This tonic helps protect your hair and scalp from environmental aggression, so it stays balanced and free from flakes and irritation. Now, I do suffer from dandruff. I do have dry skin, and when you have darker hair, a lot of times you can see it, right? So I do use like scalp treatments. Okay, it says how to use. Spray the tonic all over your scalp, then gently massage it in with your fingers. So that's what you do with this. And then I'm surmising you would, I don't know, maybe put the powder. I have no idea. Maybe you add this to the powder and you can like put it in your scalp. I'll read more into it, but all right. So we have that, $80. Wow. Problem is, like I always say, if I like this stuff, I can't afford it to buy it again, you know? That's why I like subscription boxes. Ooh, the next thing is from Nude Stick. So we have a foundation, and what shade is this? Let me see. Okay, so this is $36. Of course, it's full size. It's 25 mLs, and it's in the shade Nude 2.5. Ooh, and it has a pump. I love pumps. Okay, let's see if it's a good shade match. Come on. Come to mama. Come on. Okay. And that's what she looks like. Let's see. Okay, it might be a little, I don't know. Let's blend her in. It looks like it'll be a good shade match, actually, once I blend it in. I mean, for some reason, you can see my face is darker than my arms. I've always been like that. It's the weirdest thing. Like my face tans before my arms. And usually, you know, your arms are the first to tan, right? It's weird. It's like my face and my neck, you know? All right, but I'll definitely use it. I can mix it in if it doesn't, like a different color foundation, but I'm glad to get it. I get to try it, so that's pretty cool. The next thing is, oh, I got this in the other one, and I've been using it, and I really like it. So this is from First Aid Beauty, and this is it says Wild Oat Hydrating Toner, and I like it. I've been using it all this month, so I'm glad to get another one. Okay, and this is $24. And if you don't know how I use toner, you know, you would open it up, and I have those cotton rounds, and I just, you know, that. And then, so after I wash my face and cleanse it, then I go in with the toner just to get all like the residue off and everything else. So that way your face is clean before you do your skincare. So I use it every morning and night, you know? Love it. Okay, so the next thing is this Vacation. I've got this in my other box. This is a SPF. I've been using mine when I do my walk-in talks. And so it's SPF 30, so maybe I'll give this to my son Isaiah or something. I don't know, because I don't know how much you'll use like one up since I have two of them. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. Maybe I can use it on my... I don't know, but we'll see. So we have that. So this is like a... Let me see how much it is. All right, so this is $18, which is pretty good because if you like it, you know, it's affordable, right? All right, so the next thing is this Tarte. Now, like I said, I got this in my other box, but I love this. I actually have it on today. It's one of my favorite concealers. It's a little thick, but I only do like a little bit, and it really doesn't, for me, it helps me out. I don't crease a lot, you know, but again, I do like very little bits. So I'm glad to get another one, but what shade is this? 205 Light Sand. Ooh, that might be a little dark. Because I use like, I forget the shade that I got. It was a lot lighter. Let's see. All right, so this is $27. So let me do a little swatch. If it's too dark, I can give it to one of my girlfriends. You know, like one of my friends, they'll use it. But it might, I mean, it doesn't look that dark. So let's see. I always like going in like a couple shades lighter than my foundation, so... All right, that's what it looks like. And let's put it right here. All right, so it looks like it might be a little dark for me for concealer. But then again, I don't know because it's almost summertime and I'll have a little tan. So it might work. I mean, you know, I don't know. Like when I don't really want to wear a lot of makeup, I can just put that on. Do you know what I'm saying? So I'll definitely use it. I'm happy about that. All right, there's 4 more things. There's a lot of things in here. I don't know if I did add ones. I'll have to look. All right, oh, so we have from Keys. I love Keys. Do you remember in the AIA we got the Keys? I'm going to show you. I have everything like right on my desk. Like, look, I use this all the time. I love the packaging. I have everything right here. So, and that was a skincare. So I'm glad to try. This is makeup. So this is a blush in the shade Grace. So it's a cream blush. Like I said this in every video, everything is becoming like cream, you know, which like, where's the blush? Because this right here is like clear. Holy crap. Like you don't really get a lot in there. So that's the shade. But when I tell you get very little in there, feels good though, you know, like it feels nice. That's the shade. I'm going to put it right here. So I'm just going to build it up just so that you guys can see the shade color. That's a pretty color. That'll go perfect on me. Like I said, I'm building it up, you know, but it blends like a dream. Look at that. Ew. Okay. All right. Let me see how much this is. Because like I said, you don't get a whole lot of product in there. This is $22. I'd never pay $22 for this. Never, ever. You know, you can get a lot. You can go to the drugstore and get cream blushes for a lot cheaper. But it's a very pretty color. And I'm glad to get it in a subscription box, you know. All right. The other thing we got from Lord Jones. And what is this? This is, it says whole plant formula CBD lip balm. Ew. You know, I like stuff for my lips. All right. So this is $19. All right. This I'll definitely use. I have to have anything on my lips. I'm always happy to get stuff like this. Why can't I open it? Look what I did to the box. Like, oh my goodness. Why is it so hard to open? I'm special, y'all. I'm special. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And there we go. And see how much you get. Because that's how much you get. That's not a whole lot, but it has CBD in it. So, you know, let me just feel what it feels like. Oh yeah, feels nice. You're not going to be able to see anything, but it's clear. And yeah, I like stuff like this for nighttime. You know, like when I do my skincare, I'll put this stuff on. Or like I said, when I do my walk and talks, you know what I mean? And I'll use it. But all right. So I don't know what the other stuff is. Let me see if I had like add-ons or something. I don't know. Yeah, I don't see these because when you look at your stuff, it'll say like add-ons. So this might have been like points that I had, or maybe I bought them. I'm not sure. But these are 2 lipsticks from Yenza, right? Yeah, right here. Yenza. And it must have been like a duo, like a set, because I don't think I'd ever purchase like 2 of them, you know? All right, let's see what colors it is. All right, so it's like a regular, you know, like a, I like bullet lipsticks. Why can't I open it? Oh, it has this thing where you push it. See? Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's a pretty color. Okay, let me take this off so I can do some swatches. Okay, so let's do the swatch. I'll tell you the shade in a minute. I forgot to look at the shade. Ooh, that's really pretty. I don't know if I wear this alone. If I had like a darker lipstick on, I would put this in the middle because it's a little light for my liking. Okay, what is the shade? I think it says Free Spirit, but look how dark that thing is. It's definitely not the shade that is, but it's very pretty. I really like it. And this is in the shade Noble. Right here. I guess they're all that color, you know. All right, so I really like this packaging. Oh, okay, so this is darker. Good, 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 good. Yeah, this is perfect. And they look very creamy, like satiny. So I would put this on my lips and then put this right on the center. That's what I would do. All right. I love this. This is great for your pocketbook. You know, remember old school lipsticks that didn't have a snap or magnetic, and you'd put it in your pocketbook, you go to get it, and the lid would be off, and then you had all dirt in your lipstick. Who remembers that back in the day? All right, so let's go over everything that I got in my Ipsy Plus. Like I said, this is my paid for subscription. So these had to be like either points or an add-on. I don't know. So I got the SPF. I got the concealer. I got the foundation. That's good to get a foundation and a concealer. That's pretty good. I got the Keys blush. I got the CBD lip balm, which I'm really excited for that. And what else? I got this body serum. Yes, I'm really happy about that. I got the toner. I got this in my other one. Like I said, I've been using it every morning and night. So I like it. I'm glad to get another one. I really am. And then I got this hair tonic set for $80. That's expensive. I'll have to try it out and see, but I know for sure I won't purchase it again. Oh, and then I got this. And I don't know if this was an add-on or points. I have no idea. It might have been like points that I used, you know? So that's everything. Let me know what you think of this box. I actually like it. It's a lot of skincare, but it has makeup too. You get a foundation, a concealer. You got the cream blush from Keys. I love Keys. That is Alicia Keys' brand. And so if I had to rate this between a 1 and a 5, a 1, I'm throwing it away, and a 5, I'm doing a cartwheel, probably about a 3.5. But it's not bad. I had worse and I had better, but I'm not mad at it. Like if somebody said, here, do you want this for $55? I would take it. Does that make sense? But I'm not like overly excited. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. You know what I mean? All right, guys, that's everything. Please like this video. It really helps me out, or dislike it. That helps me out as well. Don't forget, I have that giveaway right now, the Jeffree Star giveaway. If the other giveaway is up by the time I put this up, I will link it down below. And yeah, that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.